Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. My name is Paul, and as always, I'm going to be taking you through today's workout. Today we're working on shoulders and arms. I'm going to be using some dumbbells, and I'm going to be using this bench. So you guys can tell this bench folds nicely, so it's perfect for a small space like this one. Anyway, we're going to be using something called myosets. So basically saying we are going to be using very short rest periods between the sets. This does one thing, it saves time, and does another thing, it's great if you don't have very heavy weights to work with because you can achieve a lot of stimulus in your muscles with that short rest period. Anyway, enough talking, we're going to get started with some shoulder presses. I'll see you guys in about 5 seconds. Hey guys, and welcome back. We're starting with some shoulder presses. You can do this seated. If you don't have a bench, you can do it standing up. For me, seated is easier because the ceiling here is really low. Like I said, we're doing myosets, so very short breaks between the sets. 5 to 10 seconds, no more than that. Shoulder presses, 3 sets. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Always control the weight all the way through the movement. Keep your feet nicely planted on the ground and push all the way through your toes. Nice full range of motion. And one more, and that's it. So if you are using a bench, this is a little cue. Don't have it sitting at a 90-degree angle. Relax it to about 80 to 85 degrees, whatever the next lowest setting on the bench is. This will really alleviate a lot of pressure on your shoulders as you won't need all that shoulder flexibility. That was set number 1. Let's get ready for set number 2. Ready and go. And that's set number 2. We're just doing 3 sets, so we have one more set of shoulder presses. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Come on. Nice and slow in the last one, and that's it. All right, exercise number 1 out of the way. Bench out of the way. For now, at least. All right, that should give me enough room. Take a little break. We're going to move on to some lateral raises. So shoulder presses I do with 25 pounds. It's going to be the same concept, very short breaks. So since we're going to be taking short breaks, I'm going to use 12 pounds. And this is going to go by quickly. The whole point of this workout is to use light weights, make it feel heavy, make the work go by quickly. I look at my analytics now and again, and I notice that most of the people on this channel are between 40 to 45 and 65 years old. So most of us don't have a lot of time to waste on working out. We just want to be in decent shape and have a little more flexibility in everyday life and feel a little bit stronger. Having said that, we're doing lateral raises. Same concept, 3 sets, short breaks. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1. No need to count. We're just doing as many reps as we can. I know this is kind of hard to follow along because everybody's got a different amount of reps they want to do. Different weights. Generally, I shoot for between 10 and 15 repetitions. And that's it. Nice short little break. 1, 2, 3, breaks over, and let's go. Control that weight on the way down especially. And that's it for me. I'm going to hope to squeeze out 6 or 7 on this last set. Here we go. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. That's all I got. Weights down. That takes care of the side delts. Now we are going to use the rear delt and we are going to do the reverse fly. You can do this one standing. You can sit down on the bench. I'm going to do it standing. Preview showing screen right now. Going to bend over. Leave those arms and go up. Don't go back here so much, but kind of when you bring your arms, it's kind of hard to tell because there's only one camera. Don't bring your arms to the side of you. Bring them just a little bit up to isolate that shoulder, back of that shoulder a little bit more. For this, I'm gonna use, let's see, I've used 25s for that, 12 pounds for this. Maybe I'll use try the 20s for the reverse fly. Same thing, guys, 3 sets, very short rest. Once again, we're trying to get through this workout as quickly as possible and get a nice upper body workout, at least for the arms and the shoulders. Try the 20s, these might be a little heavy. We'll give them a shot. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, lock everything in nicely, and let's go. 1, 2, no reason to count. 3, but I will do it anyway. 4, 5, 6, and that's all I got. Short little break. That was 10. I doubt I'll be able to squeeze out 10 on this one. Ready? Set number 2. Quick workout. Here we go. What was that, 7? All right, one more. I always say my workouts are your workouts. I'm working hard, I'm breathing hard. And let's go. Last set, best set, let's go. One more. That's it. Well, it takes care of the shoulders. Whew. All the way around. We did the front with the overhead presses and the sides. We did the sides of the shoulders and the back of the shoulders, all done. Now we're moving on to arms. Same concept, guys, myo sets, so short rests. We're going to go with the basic bicep curl. There's no reason to do anything beyond that. And then we're going to go with the skull crusher. Since there's only 2 exercises for the back and the front of the arm, we're going to do 5 sets this time. But once again, we are repeating the short rests in between the sets. So let's take a few more seconds here. Grab a drink of water right now if you need to. And we'll get started with our bicep curls. Nice and easy way to work out. Like I said, this is great if you're short on time. You do this once a week. The other time, maybe you do chest and back. And the other time, do legs. And you could do all those on very short periods, within very short periods of time. So 20 minutes or so, 3 times lifting will get you a great start and get you, like I said, a little stronger, a little more flexible. Actually, you do develop flexibility from doing weights. All right, double curls. That's all we're going to be doing, all right? I'm going to use my 20s, see how that goes. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Control the weight all the way through the motion. Let's go. Come on. All right, weights down. That's enough for me for the first set. Shake them out. Take a breath. 1, 2, 3. And let's go for set number 2. and weights down. Set number 2 done. I'll have a good pump going for the rest of the day. I don't know how about you guys. All right, set number 3. And let's go. These are getting relatively heavy. That's that. Moving right along. As reps are getting lower and lower. Let's see if I can get 6 or 7 on this one. I don't know what I got in the last one. I wasn't counting. But here we go. Set number 4. This is just like working out with somebody else, literally. I am just doing a workout and filming it. All right, one more set. Shake those arms out for the last one. And let's get going. And nice and easy on the way down. Oh, there we go. Whew. That's done. One more exercise left for the arms. We are going to do a little bit of core at the end if you want to stick around for 3 sets of core. They'll be weighted sit-ups. I got skull crushers next. Sorry, I can't talk. I'm out of breath and my arms are killing me. You can do these on the bench or you can do these on the floor. It's up to you. I'm going to use this bench. Let's see how I should set this up. Well, I should set it up to be flat first of all. So let's do that. And I generally face in this direction, so let's do the same. All right, same thing guys. I want to use my 20s again, I believe. And we are going for 5 sets of skull crushers. 20s are going to be a little heavy. They're going to get heavy quickly. That's all right, we'll push it a little bit today. So, lay back down. When you do your skull crushers, try not to do them here, but bring those arms back just a little bit and do them right here. This should be your starting and ending position. Are you guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, take a little break. Probably not the best resting position, but we're going again in 2 seconds. 1, 2, and let's go for set number 2. Arms back a little bit, and let's go. And that's that. I'll put these down my chest, give my arms a little bit of a break. Ready, set number 3, let's go. Five, oh boy, getting tough. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, set number 4. Let's knock him out. 4. Set number 5. Hope you challenge yourself, guys, just like I'm trying to challenge myself. And let's go, last set. Press it up, arms back, and let's go. That's it. Oh. Boy, this workout, like I said, is the essence of working out with somebody. I'm literally just filming this. Maybe I should do all my workouts like this. I could save a little bit of time instead of filming them separately. How about that? All right, we're gonna move on to the core part of this workout. So you can fold up your bench if you have one of these. If not, how does this fold up again? There we go. Like I said, nice and easy on these. And you can just store it out of the way. It might not be the most sturdy bench in the world, but it's very convenient, like I said, for small spaces. All right, we are doing 3 sets, weighted sit-ups. I'm gonna use my 20. I have no idea how many I'm gonna do. That's the beauty of working out. A lot of times you just do it until there's only a couple repetitions left in the tank. All right, sit-ups, here we go. 3 sets, same concept, guys. No rest in between, a very minimum rest. You know what I mean by now. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Keep it up. The weights keeps on pointing towards the ceiling. That's it. Take 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. Nice and controlled all the way through. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last set. Keep it up. Last one for me. Whew. And that does it, guys. Thank you for joining me today for this upper body with just shoulder and arm workout. A little bit of core thrown in. I don't want to trip over that. As you guys know, I like doing core every day. This is Fit After 50. My name is Paul. This was our quick arms and shoulders workout. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.